Welcome to Passionate Connection. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful topics in relationships: how to make them miss you. Whether you're dating, in a relationship, or even if you've just had a breakup, understanding how to create space and mystery can reignite attraction and make someone realize how much you mean to them. If you want to know the secrets to get that special someone to miss you, stay tuned. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with more relationship insights. 1. Focus on your happiness. The first step in making someone miss you is actually focusing on yourself. It sounds simple, but it's incredibly powerful. When you invest in your happiness, you create a naturally attractive aura. People are drawn to those who are genuinely happy and fulfilled in their own lives. How to focus on yourself. Reconnect with the things you love, whether it's hobbies, passions, or spending time with friends. Make sure you're doing things that bring you joy and excitement. Personal growth is key. Take this time to work on yourself, set new goals, or pick up a skill. When you focus on becoming your best self, others can't help but notice the change. If you're ready to take your happiness into your own hands, drop a comment below saying, "I choose happiness." Remember, a happy person is someone who others naturally miss. 2. Give them space. The second key to making someone miss you is to allow them space. We all need a bit of distance to realize what someone means to us. Constant availability can sometimes make people take you for granted, but when you give them some breathing room, it creates a longing to connect with you again. Avoid being overly responsive to messages or calls. Take your time to reply and don't feel the need to always initiate conversation. Plan solo activities or go out with friends without feeling the need to update them on everything. Allow them to wonder about what you're doing. Think about a time when someone you liked was just out of reach and how that made you look forward to seeing them. That anticipation builds attraction. Remember, it's okay to let them come to you. If you've been doing the reaching out, challenge yourself to pull back a bit and give them the space to miss you. 3. Be mysterious and unpredictable. Mystery is intriguing. When someone can't entirely figure you out, it makes them think about you more. Predictability can sometimes make things feel stale. Being a little mysterious keeps the relationship fresh and exciting, making them miss you even more. Don't feel the need to share every single detail of your day. Save some stories for later and let them wonder about the parts you don't mention. Change up your routine a bit. Try new places, meet new people, or start a new hobby. When they see you evolving, they'll be curious to learn more about what's going on in your life. Think about a movie where you can't quite predict what the main character will do next. That mystery makes the character fascinating and memorable. Bringing a touch of that to your own life makes you unforgettable. 4. Be there, but not always available. Another secret to making someone miss you is to be there for them, but not too available. People often value what they have to work a bit to get. When you're always available, it can be easy for others to take that availability for granted. So, it's okay to let them wait a bit sometimes. Don't respond to every message immediately. Let them wait a little. It shows you're busy and engaged with your own life. Make plans that don't always involve them. Let them see that while you enjoy spending time together, you're not dependent on it. Think about a favorite song that you only hear once in a while. It's special because you don't listen to it all the time, and when you do, you appreciate it even more. The same goes for relationships. If you're ready to try being a bit less available, Comment boundaries are powerful below. 5. Make your time together count. When you do spend time together, make it memorable. Quality time creates lasting memories, which makes them think about you even when you're not around. Focus on making each interaction meaningful, so they look forward to being with you and miss you when you're gone. Have deep conversations. Go beyond the surface and talk about your dreams, goals, and experiences. These moments leave a lasting impression. Show genuine care and affection. Small gestures, like really listening or doing something thoughtful, make them feel valued. Think about a time when someone made you feel incredibly valued and special. You probably thought about them afterward, replaying the memory. Making someone feel special creates a lasting impact. 6. Keep improving yourself. One of the most powerful ways to make someone miss you is by constantly working on yourself. Growth is attractive, and when someone sees you evolving, they're naturally drawn to you. When they're not around, make that time productive by focusing on self-improvement. Set goals for yourself, whether in your career, health, or personal development. Achieving goals builds your confidence and attractiveness. Focus on mental well-being and self-care. When you're happy with yourself, others feel that energy and are more likely to miss you. Think about a friend or ex who seemed to grow and thrive every time you saw them. Their growth probably caught your attention and made you curious to reconnect. 7. Give positive experiences and end on a high note. When you leave someone with positive memories, they're more likely to miss you. End each conversation or interaction on a high note. Positive experiences linger in our minds, making us want more of that connection. Share something funny or uplifting before saying goodbye. Humor and lightness make others feel good, and they'll associate you with those positive feelings. End your time together with warmth, a genuine hug, a heartfelt compliment, or a simple "I had a great time with you." This leaves a positive, lasting impression. Think about a time someone made you feel really good before they left. You likely found yourself replaying that moment afterward. The same goes for anyone you want to miss you. If you're ready to create positive experiences and leave a lasting impression, comment "good vibes" only below. And there you have it. By focusing on yourself, giving space, staying a bit mysterious, and making your time together meaningful, you'll naturally create a lasting impression that makes them miss you. Remember, it's not about playing games, it's about becoming the best version of yourself and respecting the space that builds attraction. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use these tips, and subscribe for more content from Passionate Connection. Drop a comment to let us know which of these tips you'll try first. See you in the next video.